I'm Kristen on the nutrition team here at Kroger. Let's talk about a few food items to include to get the healthiest summer skin you've had yet. Let's talk watermelon. With lycopene levels higher than raw tomatoes, watermelon is great for keeping your skin healthy. Watermelon is also about 92% water and packed with electrolytes, making it the perfect summer snack to keep you hydrated. Next up, we have nuts and seeds. Most nuts and seeds are packed full of omega-3 fatty acids, which means two things. First, they help to keep the skin hydrated, and second, they can help heal your sunburn with those amazing anti-inflammatory properties. Another great source of healthy fats are avocados. They're packed with vitamins A, D, and E to help support healthy, glowing skin. To include avocados into your daily diet, try them in a smoothie, salad, or sandwich to reap the benefits. Lastly, coconuts are really something special. Coconut water is a great natural way to keep both you and your skin hydrated. Coconut oil is packed with nutrients to help reduce inflammation. Try using coconut oil topically, both as a facial moisturizer and cleanser. Remember, while all of these foods are great for both skin health and protection, they should not be a substitute for sunscreen. Just try including these nutrient-dense foods into your daily diet, and you'll be on your way to experiencing your best skin yet. Thanks for joining us, and see you soon.